Are you tired of your current camera falling short when it comes to capturing those perfect shots? Whether you're a professional photographer or an aspiring creator, upgrading to the right camera can make all the difference. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 Nikon cameras of 2025 designed to take your photography and videography to the next level. From stunning image quality to lightning-fast autofocus, these cameras are built for every scenario, from shooting wildlife to cinematic video. Make things easier. I've included links to the best deals for each product down in the description. Keep in mind, the Nikon cameras aren't ranked in any specific order, so stick around until the end to get the full picture. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Nikon Zf. It features a 24.5mm full-frame sensor paired with Nikon's Speed 7 processor, offering exceptional image quality. The 8-stop, 5-axis AI-assisted vibration reduction ensures stability, making it ideal for handheld shooting in various lighting conditions. A first for Nikon's full-frame mirrorless cameras. The vari-angle 3.2-inch touchscreen enhances versatility for capturing shots at different angles. The autofocus system stands out with a 299-point hybrid AF array, excelling in tracking diverse subjects such as people, animals, and vehicles. Its innovative manual focus assist is a game-changer for users of vintage lenses. With continuous shooting speeds of 30 FPS for JPEGs and 14 FPS for RAW, it handles dynamic scenes well, though its reliance on SD and microSD cards may limit buffer performance for intensive shooting. Design-wise, the camera embodies a nostalgic charm with brass dials and a leather-textured finish available in multiple colours. Priced around $199, it balances aesthetic appeal with high performance. Is this camera for you? The Nikon Zf is ideal for photography enthusiasts who appreciate classic aesthetics coupled with cutting-edge technology. It excels in portraits, street photography, and creative shoots, but might not suit those focusing on high-speed sports due to buffer constraints. Number 4. Nikon Z6III. Equipped with a 24.5mm BSI full-frame sensor and 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, IBIS. It allows for sharp handheld shots even in challenging conditions. Its autofocus system has been significantly improved, now featuring 299 focus points, which make it ideal for fast-moving subjects, even in low light, down to 10 EV. The camera's Speed 7 image processor enhances its performance, delivering faster speeds and better autofocus. It also includes a 5.76 million dot EVF, which is the brightest and highest resolution Nikon has ever made, improving the shooting experience under any lighting. Additionally, the vari-angle touchscreen makes vlogging and creative shots easier, while 4K 60fps video with 10-bit internal recording adds flexibility for filmmakers. With dual card slots, CF Express and SD, and support for 10-bit HDMI output, the Z6III offers versatility and reliability for professionals. Its price is approximately $2,000 for the body, which is competitive for a camera of this caliber. Overall, the Nikon Z6III is an excellent choice for hybrid shooters who need both high-quality photos and videos. Its advanced features and robust performance make it a solid investment, though higher resolution shooters might lean toward Nikon's more expensive models like the Z8 or Z9. Number 3. Nikon Z8. Perfect for both professional photographers and advanced enthusiasts. It boasts a 4.7 sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with excellent dynamic range, even in low-light conditions. The camera is equipped with a highly advanced autofocus system that includes subject detection, eye tracking, and a dedicated aircraft mode, making it an excellent choice for fast-moving subjects like sports, action, or wildlife. When it comes to video, the Z8 doesn't disappoint. It supports 4K recording up to 120p and 8K at 60p, which gives creators impressive options for high-quality video work. Built with a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, it is rugged enough for tough environments, and its in-body image stabilization helps deliver steady shots even in difficult conditions. Although the Z8 doesn't offer the dual CF Express slots or longer recording times of the Z9, it still provides high performance in a more compact portable design. Its single SD card slot and slightly lower price point make it more accessible without sacrificing too much in terms of overall features. Priced around $3,999, the Z8 is an excellent option for those seeking high-end performance with a smaller form factor. For those who want a top-tier mirrorless camera with incredible video and photo capabilities in a compact body, the Nikon Z8 is an excellent choice. Number 2. Nikon Z8. It features a 45.7 full-frame sensor, offering excellent resolution and dynamic range, making it ideal for a range of photography, from fine art to nature shots. The Xpeed 5 image processor enhances image quality and processing speed, while its 7 FPS continuous shooting speed, expandable to 9 FPS with a battery grip, is perfect for action photography. For video, the D850 excels with 4K UHD video recording at 30 FPS, as well as advanced video features like focus peaking and slow motion at 1080p. Additional features include a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD, dual card slots, XQD and SD, and a durable, weather-sealed body. Its ISO range of 64 to 25,600 ensures excellent low-light performance, while the 153-point autofocus system provides precise tracking in difficult conditions. The battery life is also impressive, allowing you to shoot around 140 images per charge. With a price around $2,196, the Nikon D850 offers great value for photographers seeking top-tier performance and image quality in a DSLR body. While mirrorless cameras are gaining ground, the D850 remains a top choice for those who prefer a DSLR's optical viewfinder and reliable ergonomics, durability, and the reliability of a DSLR system. It's also ideal for those who need a high-resolution camera capable of handling diverse shooting situations. Number 1. Nikon Z9. The Nikon Z9 is a flagship full-frame mirrorless camera, offering a powerful combination of high-end performance, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Sensor. 45.78 stacked CMOS sensor with no mechanical shutter, offering silent operation and reducing rolling shutter effects. Processor. Xpeed 7 engine, ensuring rapid performance and responsiveness. Autofocus. 493-point autofocus system with advanced subject tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles. Video. 8K UHD video at 30 FPS, 4K up to 120 FPS, and internal ProRes RAW or NRAW support for exceptional video quality. Build. Magnesium alloy construction with weather sealing, ideal for challenging shooting environments. Continuous shooting. 20 FPS in RAW and up to 120 FPS in JPEG for high-speed performance. EVF. 3.69M dot electronic viewfinder with 100 nm, that's refresh rate for smooth viewing. Display. 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD for flexible framing. Exceptional image quality. The 45.7 AMI sensor offers sharp details, excellent dynamic range, and vibrant color accuracy. Robust build, built to withstand tough conditions, the Z9 is perfect for photographers who need a durable, reliable camera. Creators are seeking an all-in-one high-performance camera. The Nikon Z9 is a true powerhouse, combining advanced features and exceptional image quality, making it one of the top cameras for professionals in 2025.